Yes, folks. We're up at 5 o'clock in the morning. There he is.
Oh my god, that's a big globe.
What did you get?
That's a big globe.
What did you get?
A red camera! Whoa! You know I like red.
Wow, Ian.
Oh. What's it called?
What is it?
Alfred.
Coolpix? Wow, you got a nice camera, big man.
It was.
And what else you get? And you got your globe. Huh. Santa did a good job, didn't he?
I can open it.
Hey, did he put it on top so you can... Here. Look, see? Open it up.
I can open it up. Stop it. Stop.
Pull the front of the box up. The front piece. Yeah, there you go. No? There, sorry.
Hey, this one has a charge too. Hey, this one has too.
No, it has batteries. I think.
Whoa, that's a cool camera.
Wow, big guy, let's see it. Look at that thing. Hey. Hey. Are you happy?
Yes, it takes videos.
Do you wanna see, did he eat his cookies? Oh.
Look. And he took his milk.
And he must have fed his reindeer.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That's so awesome.
Hey, special guy. Ian. Merry Christmas. Are you happy with what Santa got you?